Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about my monthly budget, my journey to becoming debt-free, cash stuffing videos, and also budget meals. So if that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But in today's video, we are going to be checking in with my September budget. Alright, so you know what, I didn't even count that money. So my family surprised me for my birthday over the weekend and gave me gifts and things. They gave me cash. I didn't count the cash, so I will have to do that later. So I will have to count that for my next September check-in. But so far, my first paycheck $16.79, second paycheck $16.70, and of course the rollover was $137. Next, I already paid my portion of the rent, $600. ID Protect was $4. Haven't paid car insurance yet, but the internet was $97. Credit monitoring, $12. Car wash, $32. Spanish, I paid $50. Actually, I paid mine and Naya's, so I'm going to change that to $100. Epidemic Sound, I paid $40 for it. Next, Novant, I paid $44. Atrium, $25. AMR, I paid that $56. Piedmont, I paid $50. Capital One, so far I've paid $300. Synchrony, I paid $102. Access One, I paid $250. Gap, I think it comes out like today, so I'm gonna just put $255. Today is the 19th. Not sure, I've already said that. Student loans, I'm actually going to have to start paying those off next month simply because of my daughter's student loans. I don't know why hers won't go into forbearance. I probably have to call again and talk to someone else other than the person that I talked to before, because it didn't sound like she knew what she was talking about. But I haven't paid anything on student loans, and I paid $100 for UMC. The next thing, I have put $200 in my gift sinking fund, bank sinking fund, and I put $50 in the kids bank sinking fund. Travel, I'll just do that at the end because it comes out every time I get paid, and it's going to equal $225. Emergency fund, I've paid $100 so far. Next are going to be my envelopes. I haven't put anything in my envelopes just yet. So that concludes today's budget check-in for September. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below what type of videos that you would like to see from me. Like I said, I'm about to start posting budget meals, so hopefully that's something you guys will be interested in. Let me know in the comments down below again if you're interested in budget meals or if you're interested in something else. But that is all for today's video. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!